back to my channel. Today we're doing one of my favorite videos, a hair video. Sorry. Finally got some new hair, y'all, from Amazon. Aaliyah J had posted a video on this wig and I decided to get it for myself, and I just wanted to film a video and give you guys some info about it. So this is the hair. This is just 13 by 6 frontal, and the color is 27, and it's like a brown with like blonde highlights. And this is the lace. One of the reasons why I did get it was because the lace looked really natural, and I'm actually not gonna bleach it just because I don't think I need to. And the hairline, definitely need to do some of your own plucking, and I am gonna go ahead and do this off camera. If you need to know how to pluck, I'm sure there's a lot of videos online. I'm not gonna do it on camera just because I don't have a wig stand, so it's hard for me to do it on camera, so I'm gonna do it off camera. But you definitely have to customize the hairline to your liking because it is kind of thick. And I did like kind of throw it on my head already. It's a little bit thicker at the roots, and then the ends a little bit thinner. This is 22 inches. Once I put it on, you'll see where it falls. Yeah, so let's get into the video. It's my first time installing hair on camera, so this might be a little bit hard, but bear with me. Yeah, so I'm just gonna... I didn't do much plucking because I can't find my tweezer, so I'm gonna have to do that another day. But as you can see, you could kind of customize this a little bit more because this is kind of full. And you can see how the lace is like really close to my skin color. That's why I said I wouldn't bleach it.
This is Ken, that is a Fendi fact. I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is custom made. Donatella sent me that. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Shacks, I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking. Rum when I'm shacks, I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna use my Got To Be gel. This is my favorite stuff to use to apply my wigs. I tried using Bold Hold, but it's a little too strong. It tends to hurt my skin, and then it damaged my edges and my skin too, so I'm not a fan of using it. But for a stronger hold, I like to apply it. Oh fuck. Yo, I'm so bad at this. And I like to spray my Got To Be on top, and I find that makes it hold a little bit longer instead of just having it by itself. So kind of have to wait for it to get a little tacky, but I'm very smacking myself.
Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my pussy. If you eatin' it, do it precisely. Cause I'm a millionaire, this pussy pricey. He said it's my pussy. My pussy. Cause I'm a millionaire, this pussy pricey. Fill up, baby, fill up.
I did my makeup off camera. Low-key looks a little crazy. I think I need to rematch my foundation shade. But we'll get to that. So I went ahead and cleaned up the sides also. And I'm just gonna flat iron it. Honestly, I was gonna do some baby hairs, but I don't think I'm gonna do any. I kind of like the way this is looking right now just because it blends in really well with my skin. So I'm gonna opt out of the baby hair. This wig came out to like $188 in total, but I just checked and they actually raised the price. I think it's just because so many people bought it after Miss Aaliyah J did her review, so they raised the price to $191. So just be aware of that. And I know in her video she said it was $100. Girl, it was not $100. That shit came out to $188, and I think with shipping it came out to $200 something, right? So she was not $100. Couple digits off. But I'm really liking it. I think it looks so good on my skin, and I think the color, it just looks really nice. The blend of the highlights. I never had highlights before. I'm definitely feeling this though. You guys, my makeup looks so crazy. Like, it's really cute, but like in the lighting, it just looks like this is not no. And like, I don't know how to get my foundation now just because I don't even know what shade I am now. So since everything is closed, like, what do I do?
I'm a millionaire. This pussy pricey. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
This looks really good on my skin color, and I love it. I wish my lighting was better so you guys could really see this color. It just looks so bomb. Where it falls, right, this is my, like, the top of my butt here, so that's how long it is. I really like it, honestly. I would recommend it. I think for the price, it's not bad, you know what I'm saying? Because me, I'm like, I change my wigs up a lot, so my hair tends to last a little bit longer since I do change it a lot. But for the price and like this color, I mean, I can't complain. I'm getting a little bit of shedding, but that's about it. Yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Deuces, stay safe, everybody.
I tune up when I'm drinking.